Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time, I hope you like what you see and subscribe. We're fall muskie fishing on the Johnny, starting off with a tough shad, deep diving Rapella, and their clown pattern Brunswick bait. Great day for the first week of November. No wind and about 10 degrees Celsius. Hard to beat. There's a nice looking mark. Think he's streaking up. Could be coming for the baits. Wow. Nice fish. Marked a lot of big fish down deep so far, but no takers. I think we'll give it another 20 minutes or so and then head out to another spot. We switched things up and we went to a Jake and our big time lures jointed blue shad. A lot of action on that blue shad. Oh my gosh, look at those streakers. That's probably a couple stripers there. Check them out. Come on, fishy. Take a bite. We're going to fish into the dark for a few hours. After the last night, how could you not? We're not marking very many fish tonight. Afraid those stripers might have moved on. Going to keep trying for a little while though. There's a bunch of fish on the bottom. Nice to see some marks. We had high hopes, but no fish for the Master Crow tonight. Another beautiful day in November. Let's give it a few hours and see what happens. There's a big herd of stripers. Check those babies out. Back on our shallow flat. We're in no more than 10 to 12 feet of water here again. Trying out spot number 3. Need some deeper water here. From 15 to 20 feet. Friends, we're on! Hallelujah! Get that lanyard off, motor off. We're tied up. Little guy. Okay, little muskie in the bag. Get our board out, give it a little soaking, slime on the fish. Woo! A little hairy with the wind. Whoa! Easy, girl. Not a big gator, but nice and chunky nevertheless. Woohoo! Gonna go 34.5 inches. Time to get reset. Sure was sweet to see that rod go off. Oh. That's one thing about this Okuma reel. You set the line clicker, you sure can't hear it. It just screams. I love it. Okay, let's get these lines out. Gonna go with a couple jigs down here. Try the old white pearl and the glitter perch. Heading up to the train bridge, we're gonna start night fishing there. Freshen up the scent a little bit here for the night bite. Never hurts to smell it. Okay, time to get out of here. We just did a couple passes and we're not marking any fish. Just increase the angle on the rod holders as well. Not going as fast, so it's not driving the bait down very deep. That angle hopefully should get us down to about 10 to 12. That's where we're marking all the fish, 15 feet and deeper. Wow, how's that for a sunset? You know the old saying, red sky at night's a sailor's delight. Supposed to be nice tomorrow. Oh, fish, guys! There's a fish! That's a striper for sure, running like that. Gotta get that clicker off. Okay. Now we're just sitting here. Gotta get that motor off. There we go. Okay. Here he comes. See if he can stay on there. He's putting up a nice fight. I'm going to say that's definitely another striper. Oh, he's fighting hard there. Oh, come on. Right underneath the boat now. Careful, Matt, careful. Right underneath the boat. Don't want him to splash. Where are you? Going hard. Diving deep. There's my leader. What do we got here? This is no muskie for sure. Oh my gosh, what a nice fight. Fighting hard at the boat. There he is. He's in the bag. Another striper. Another big girl. I'm going to say mid-30s, probably 25 pounds or so. Woohoo! Love it. Oh, easy now. Oh, there we go. Another beauty fall striper on the Johnny. Man, these things fight hard. Woo! I think we're going to end her on that high note. One muskie and probably close to a 20-pound striper. Couldn't ask for anything more than that. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.